lovely drink this morning. So as I said before, we have beetroot, lemon, and ginger. These 3 ingredients is very powerful and effective. I think I even have one video coming out with it today again to show you how much I'm a person into the beetroot recipe, because it's one of the top recipe which you guys can also use at home on a regular basis if you are interested of making healthy juice in the morning. Okay, so like this morning, you gotta big up yourself. You wake up on a Saturday morning like this is what you want to have. All right, yeah, very powerful and effective. Yes. All right, so what we're gonna do, and before we go any further, just remember to get on yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose. All right, let's do this, man. We can do it together. All right, so that's the blender right there. Okay, yeah, and what we're gonna do is we're using a medium-sized lemon into the blender, and a tablespoon of fresh ginger, and then we have the beetroot. I'm using 1 large beetroot. Excellent. Beetroot is a lot of flavor, taste, and even texture to it, to show you how good it is and why I'm encouraging you guys to have this in the morning. Okay, yeah, so if you are looking for something really amazing, then this goes really well for you this morning. Beetroot juice. We're gonna get some water. Excellent. All right. Then we're going to get our blender and we are gonna simple blend it. On the lid. Yep, you guys might have wondered what Chef Ricardo doing in the Saturday morning like this. Now, normally every morning I normally make juice, but a lot of you guys do not see those juice where I make, because I make them and then I upload them. We are going to blend this. Okay, we're gonna blend it, and once we blend it, we're just gonna simple strain it off. All right, so let's go for the blend. This is the beetroot, lemon, and ginger. Okay, pour it out. You don't have to pour it out. All right, yeah. So, as you can see, that looks amazing. All right. Okay, so this is only just beetroot, so at least 10% is right here. So in in the bowl. Okay, this is just beetroot, lemon, and ginger. Fantastic and an amazing recipe to have in the morning. Okay, all right, now what I'm gonna do, all right, I'm going to take a large tablespoon and I'm going to mix it right here. All right, the rest I will just put it into my container right here, and I have this in another drink. Okay, lovely. And then next, what I'm gonna do is pour it out into my bowl. Excellent. All right. Now, you guys can see it didn't full up a lot. So what I go back with another tablespoon and put it straight inside of this. And mix it around. Okay? So it's gonna be not too thick, but at least it's a little bit better than before. Excellent. Now, you can drink this first thing in the morning. Also, you can drink it any time of the day you like to. Okay? So, just to give you guys a nice, lovely update on this recipe, it's very, very good for your high blood pressure and also very good for detoxifying the body and also very good for boosting your immune system also. Okay? So what we're gonna do now is drink it up and taste it to see how it tastes. And yeah, let's go for it. All right. Wow. This is fantastic and an amazing. Wow. Beautiful one. This is really good. Really amazing and fantastic. Wow. 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 Here it is. Beautiful and nice.